Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, fog lamps, front wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.